At the edge of the runway, the air trembles. Twin engines ignite, and the horizon erupts into fire. In seconds, the jet slices through the sound barrier, a thunderous streak of metal and will. This is the F-15EX Eagle II, America's newest guardian of the skies. Born not from fantasy, but from necessity. By the late 2010s, the United States Air Force faced a difficult truth. Fleets of F-15C and D Eagles, once unmatched, were aging beyond their limits. Stealth fighters like the F-22 and F-35 offered cutting-edge capability, but their numbers were few, and the demand for air dominance was rising fast. The answer was not to start over, but to evolve a legend. Boeing and the Air Force joined forces to build a next-generation variant of a proven platform. The result, the F-15EX Eagle II, a fighter that could fly farther, fight harder, and adapt faster than anything before it. At first glance, it resembles the classic E-15 Strike Eagle. But beneath the skin, almost everything is new. Its airframe is strengthened for a 20,000-hour service life, twice that of the originals. The fuselage and wings are reinforced with advanced aluminum-lithium alloys, and the twin-tail design preserves the aerodynamic balance that made the Eagle so agile. A fully digital fly-by-wire system replaces decades-old controls, giving pilots smoother handling and higher G. The cockpit is dominated by a massive panoramic display, part of the advanced display core processor to one of the fastest mission computers ever installed in a fighter. From here, pilots can manage sensors, radar, weapons, and data links with unprecedented clarity. The jet's brain is its radar. The NAPG 82 V1 AESA SYS TEM, capable of detecting and tracking multiple targets hundreds of kilometers away. It can map the ground, identify threats, and engage air or surface targets simultaneously to keep it alive in hostile skies. The Eagle II carries the EPA WSS, the Eagle Passive Active Warning and Survivability System, an advanced electronic warfare suite that listens, deceives, and protects. While the F-15EX isn't stealthy in shape, its sensors and countermeasures make it remarkably difficult to ambush. Powering this machine are two General Electric F-11 OGE-129 afterburn and turbofans, each delivering about 29,000 pounds of thrust. Together, they propel the Eagle to 2 over Mach 2.5, more than twice the speed of sound, with a climb rate exceeding 50,000 feet per minute. Its service ceiling reaches around 60,000 feet. And with conformal fuel tanks and external stores, it can fly more than 1,200 nautical miles in combat radius, or over 2,600 miles on ferry range. In raw performance, few modern fighters can match its mix of speed, endurance, and power. But it is not speed alone that makes the F-15EX formidable. It is what it carries. The jet can haul an incredible 29,500 pounds of ordnance, the largest payload of any U.S. fighter. It boasts up to 12 air-to-air missile hard, and with the addition of Amber-X, potentially 22 missiles in total, an airborne arsenal. It employs AIM-9X Sidewinders for close-range combat and AIM-120, MRAMS, or the future AIM-260, JATM-4 beyond visual range engagements. Its internal M61A1 Vulcan cannon, a 6-barrel 20mm Gatling gun, remains a trusted backup, firing up to 6,000 rounds per minute. For air-to-ground missions, it can deploy joint direct attack munitions, small diameter bombs, AGM-158, JAS, SMs, and even future hypersonic missiles such as the AGM-183AR. Sniper XR, targeting pods, and Legion infrared sensors give the jet a powerful edge in both day and night operations. This versatility makes the F-15EX more than a fighter, it's a flying weapons platform, capable of shifting from interceptor to strike aircraft within a single sortie. Though still young in service, the Eagle II has already proven itself in rigorous testing. Since its first flight in 2021, it has joined Air National Guard squadrons and begun replacing aging F-15C. In exercises, it demonstrated operational effectiveness against advanced adversaries, using data fusion and electronic warfare to dominate simulated battles. It can act as a command node, linking stealth fighters like the F-35 with legacy aircraft, extending radar coverage, and coordinating missile strikes. In tactics, the F-15EX fills several critical roles. It serves as an air superiority sentinel, fast, heavily armed, and able to remain on station for hours. It also acts as a missile truck, supporting stealth jets that may lack weapon volume by launching long-range salvos from a safe distance. In strike operations, it carries heavy precision munitions or standoff weapons to dismantle enemy defenses. For the pilot, the Eagle II is both hunter and guardian, a platform built for flexibility in the chaos of modern air warfare. How does it compare to its rivals? Against the F-35A Lightning II, the F-15EX concedes stealth. Its radar cross-section is larger, making it more visible to sensors. But it answers with sheer payload, speed, and range. In large-scale warfare, where volume and persistence matter, the F-15EX complements stealth fighters by providing the muscle behind the spear. Against the Russian Su-35 flanker, the Eagle II matches its agility and exceeds it in computing, radar, power, and networked awareness. The Su-35's thrust vectoring engines offer superb close-range maneuvering, but the Eagle II would likely engage from far beyond visual range, where its sensors and missile load give it a decisive advantage. Today, the F-15EX is entering full operational service with the United States Air Force. With plans for more than 100 aircraft to be built, its digital systems allow quick upgrades, new sensors, weapons, and software can be installed without redesigning the airframe. In time, it will integrate hypersonic missiles, AI-assisted targeting, and cooperative combat capabilities with unmanned drones. The Eagle's evolution is far from over, yet beneath all the technology lies something more enduring, a legacy of purpose. The original F-15, born in the Cold War, was a promise that no American pilot would ever be outflown or outfought in the sky. The F-15EX renews that promise for a new age. It stands as a bridge between generations, connecting the proven designs of the past with the digital battlefields of the future. And as the engines roar to life, the message is unmistakable. Air superiority is not given. It is earned, maintained, and guarded. The F-15EX Eagle II is not just an aircraft. It is a statement of resilience, of dominance, of vigilance. A reminder that even as the world changes, one truth remains: the skies still belong to those willing to fight for them.